One of our clients called us and complained he got backup every 2 weeks. We put a camera and we found big roots intrusion. So we marked this section outside and we start digging. The mark is right here and we started excavating with the 3-ton excavator outside slowly because we had a water line that we didn't want to damage it, and we found it. Keep digging until we reached and exposed the pipe. Apparently that's a black tar pipe and the water line goes in line with it. So we found the big roots. This is the roots, and we replaced the pipe completely up to the city property line, all the way inside on the front wall. This is our company, and this is the black tar pipe. It's oval. It looks like oval. This is the connection inside to the Y with the cap for future use. And now we start backfilling and put a flat concrete on the top. This is how it was done by the Summit Draining Plumbing, Ottawa. Let's just clean a bit. Thank you so much. Leave your comments below.